Welcome to UCouncil. This is an update on Canada Emergency Business Account. The government has recently expanded the eligibility criteria for this program, so we will explain those changes in this lecture. We begin with our usual disclaimer that this lecture is not legal advice, so if you have any specific questions regarding this specific topic, you should contact an accountant or a tax lawyer. Now, this business account, this emergency loan is created. It is in the form of a loan of $40,000 or up to $40,000, and it is meant for small to medium-sized businesses or nonprofit organizations so that they can meet their operational expenses such as rent and payroll and insurance and other obligations that cannot be deferred. But this loan cannot be used for prepayment or refinancing of existing debts or payments of dividends or distribution and increases in management compensation. Now, the eligibility requirement, previously the eligibility was if your payroll was $20,000 to $1.5 million and you had paid that much in salaries in 2019, then that business was eligible to apply. That has been changed now, and so lower than $20,000 payroll companies, businesses are also eligible. So in essence, if you have zero payroll, you are still eligible to receive this loan. The requirements for eligibility are specific to businesses that have a payroll of less than $20,000. They need to have a business operating account at a participating financial institution, and please note that this is a business account. If you are operating a business, a sole proprietorship, but the account is in your personal name, you will not be eligible to receive this loan. You need to have a CRA business number, and you ought to have filed a tax return for 2018 or 2019, and you have eligible non-deferrable expenses of between $40,000 and $1.5 million. So again, these are eligible non-deferrable expenses, and I've given examples of some of the expenses that are eligible, so please make sure that your expenses are eligible. Otherwise, you will not be receiving this loan and you will be subject to an audit by CRA. Now, the previous eligibility requirements that apply to all businesses that apply for such loan are the same. The businesses need to be in operation as of March 1st, 2020, have a federal tax registration, active business account that I mentioned. The account must be opened prior to March 1st, 2020, and it should not be in arrears of borrowing facility by 90 days or more. You have not used this program previously. You have the intention to continue or resume operations, and agreement to respond to surveys as the government may require. So what are some of the additional businesses that will benefit from this expanded eligibility? Obviously, businesses that have no payroll but meet all other eligibility requirements will be eligible. Sole proprietors who receive business income directly, they are now also eligible. And then family-owned corporations that do not pay salaries but pay income as dividends, they are now also eligible. Just a quick reminder of the features of this program. We'll talk about the duration, interest, and forgiveness of 25% loan. Now, you can receive this loan as a revolving line of credit until December 31st, 2020. After December 31st, 2020, whatever is outstanding balance turns into a non-revolving loan for a 5-year term, which matures on December 31st, 2025. With respect to interest, there is no interest until January 1st, 2023, and thereon, there is 5% interest per annum payable monthly. And finally, if whatever your balance is as of January 1st, 2021, if you pay 75% of that by December 31st, 2022, the remaining 25% is forgiven. I've given an example. Balance as of January 1st, 2021 is $40,000. You have paid $30,000 as of December 31st, 2022, and then $10,000 will be forgiven. This program was supposed to launch on last Friday on June 19th, 2020, but there has been some, I believe, technical issues and the program is slightly delayed. But if you are looking to apply under the expanded eligibility criteria, then you should get ready. Contact your bank. You can apply online through your financial institution. Just so you know, the government has allocated about $55 billion with respect to this program. And by now, about 669,000 applications have been approved, which translate into about $26 billion that have been granted. So there is about another $29 billion available for businesses that are eligible. So if you believe that you should be receiving this loan, then you should apply. Contact your financial institution and apply. Thank you for watching.